Hello, folks. Welcome to week 8. I'm just going to quickly go over what we are doing this week. So, last week we talked about orthographic sketches. I had you center orthographic sketches inside of a border and title block that you learned in the previous week. So this week we are building on that, and now we are learning how to draw our isometrics and centering our isometric sketches inside of a border and title block. So I did this week move the fundamentals of dimensioning PowerPoint to this folder. I'm going to quickly go over it, and I don't expect you guys to take any notes on it, but I do want to talk about it with you so that you're aware. Then I have this document. This is centering an isometric drawing on a border and title block. So I walk you through the steps on how to do that, and I will demonstrate that in class as well for you. So yes, these are the instructions. It has the pictures attached, so that makes it easier for you. The first step is to find the center of the page. Use diagonal lines to find the center. Then record half the dimension of height, half length, half depth. Draw a point straight up the center of the page, half the height. Draw a point down 30 degrees to the right, half the length, and then a point to the left, half the depth. So you can see here, I walk you through that. And then I drew a box to represent a three-dimensional object that you would draw in. And you can see that the space between the top and bottom is the same, and the space between the side and the side is the same. That's how you center an isometric drawing. So you're going to be doing that. You will be doing that for 3 sketches just like last week, and they are the same 3 sketches last week. I give you the isometrics this time. I'm not making you do anything extra because last week I feel like you had a lot to do, so this week I want to give you a little bit of break. You are just recreating all 3 of these parts and you're turning them in. I give you all the dimensions, you just have to recreate them. Remember, when you're drawing, draw lightly so that you can erase after. You will be erasing any lines that are not important, any lines that are not hidden lines, center, or anything like that. You'll also be erasing any lines that you use to center the drawing inside the border and title block. Those diagonal lines you'll erase at the end once your drawing is all centered. You'll erase the box holding your object once it's all centered. The only thing that should be left is the border and title block, the lettering down at the bottom, and then the drawing itself, the isometric itself. And then you'll have 3 turn-ins for that as well. And then I have the instructions there. So that is what you're doing this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll see you in class.